Welcome to the tutorial on how to use something called CC Page Labels. Um, we're looking at a storefront that I have set up in my personal TrialForce org. It is called the default store. I know that by looking in the URL directly after the host name. I can see that this storefront is called default store. I know that I'm on the change or forgot password page because next to that storefront name I see CCRZ underscore CC forgot password. That is the page name that I'm on. So the goal here, the use case is the business wants us to change two things on this page. It says forgot something is they want to change this to forgot password question mark, and then we want to replace this asterisk required fields to say required field. So now that I know that I'm on this storefront for this page, I can go back to my Salesforce instance, and the word that I'm looking for is forgot something. I will search in the Salesforce search box. This is not specific to CloudCraze. This is a Salesforce search box. It's found a CC page label, and this is what we're after, is a CC page label, because most of these items that are on pages tend to be CC page labels. So let's go back to this one. We're going to click into the CC page label. This says that on CC forgot password page, which matches this, CC forgot password, there's a value saying forgot something. Let's edit this and say forgot password question mark. Now this says this is global for the storefront, so this means that this will impact, if there's only one of these out there, meaning there's only one CC page label that says global and there are none that say for a specific storefront, then this will impact every storefront when I click save. So if I want to have a different message on each storefront, then I would go ahead and clone this and say, okay, leave global as whatever this value is, but specifically for storefront X, I can have a different value for it. So I'll click save here. All right, so this now says forgot password question mark. Also notice that you have the page label I18NS. This is for localization, so if you needed to have a French version or a Spanish version or Japanese, then you would add those page labels here, either globally. This is a global page label used on all storefronts, unless there is one for a specific store. So we made that change. Let's go over here and refresh this page. All right, so that's changed. Now if I refresh this page and this does not change, that means that page label caching is turned on for the storefront. Again, that's a configuration setting. So to play it safe, whenever I make CC page label changes, I'll always go to CC admin and I'll go to the global settings, click the global settings button when it comes up. All right, global settings, and it's already there. I'll go to indexing. I'll scroll down to page label cache. So if page label caching is turned on, we'll go ahead and refresh this. I always typically just refresh it no matter what. Okay, so we made one change. We have one more change to make. So required fields. Again, we're on the CC forgot password page. So I'll come back over here. Required fields in the Salesforce search box. This shows me 7 page labels. Now understand, your search results may be different than mine. If you have Salesforce objects out there that contain those values, you're going to see a list of a variety of different values that will pop up. So you need to go to the CC page label if that's what your objective is. So I see required fields. I see a bunch of them here, so I'm not quite sure which one of these is the right one. So I'll click into the first one, and it says on the CC Forgot password page, there is this value of star required fields. So I will click into here, change that value. Again, this is global, so if I wanted to override it specifically for a specific storefront, then I would do so by cloning this one, adding in the storefront name, and then what it will do is, like I said, it will look at to see if there's uh, global ones, and then it'll look for storefront runs. And the more specific the CC page label is for the given storefront, it will take that one. So storefront level CC page labels will override global ones. Okay, so again, if I make that change and I come back over here and I refresh this page, and that says required field now. So as far as moving any of these objects around on the page, this or this, that would be a typically be a styling scenario. So that is our exercise for the CC page labels. Thank you.